Place a cup under the steamed wand. Pour milk into the steaming pitcher, filling it 1/2 full. Position the steam wand tip just below the milk surface. Hold the pitcher at a 15 to 45 degree angle. Then turn the knob to the steam position. Wait about 5 seconds for the steam to stabilize before starting to steam the milk. When the milk expands to reach below the groove, the foaming is complete. Turn the knob to off when milk reaches 60 to 65 degrees. After the steam is turned off, a little steam's gonna be released from the water tray. That's just normal pressure relief. You can pour the milk into the coffee. Make a cup of coffee as you wish. Remember to wipe the steam pipe clean with a damp cloth. Point the wand toward the drip tray. Briefly turn the knob to steam position to clear residue. Wipe it clean again with a cloth.